But here it is, guys. You know what I know. It is a convertible. Oh dear. I know what you're asking. Why would you buy that? Because we got some goodies. And nice cars too. 36er. We got an extra top, but more importantly, we have brand new floor pans. I'm pretty sure I'm not putting those in a 4-lug car. So my plan was to put the luggage tray and the pans into this car. Our 67 $500 car. Give you a sneak peek. I got it all cleaned out. And yeah, she needs an engine because, yeah, there was no air cleaner on it. It was outside for 7 years. It's stuck. This one is not stuck. However, it has all this extra mumbo jumbo on it. I don't know what the heck that is. D0. D, as far as I knew, is 1200. Do not tell me there's a 1200. No, that's got the bent tube. It's not a 1200. So let me know what you think on this engine, if you would, please. And tell me what that is. Is that just California only? Did the semi-autos have their own engine stamp? I just don't know anything about these new cars, especially semi-autos. I really like this feature where you can access the starter. What is this? Canteen? What is this? You don't even have to take the body off. You just take the luggage tray out and you can access everything. This is cool. And this is where the mice go in. I believe it's a 70. Jen's gonna kill me. I like the color. Somebody cut all this out of it. Oh, we got a key, that's good. Will it run? Why does this always work for Musty 1? Should we put him in a 4-lug car? Was it locked? No. Doesn't even open. I didn't really think about the roof coming apart, but it stayed on there. Always broken with me. I haven't looked under the hood. You ready? Ooh. Stereo. Oh, look at this. Oh, Dubworks is losing his mind right now. It's not an early one, but oh, those are the vert covers. I'm glad those aren't all banged up. Seat belts. Let's get this thing clean. Oh, of course. Of course, it's got to have ladybug floor mats. I'm grabbing too much here. Is that a visor? What do we got in there? Oh, easy, Tonto. We got our factory visors, and is that accelerator cable? Yeah, slow down, buddy. So the beam looks pretty good. What you really want to look for is the frame head. What are you guys seeing? Frame head looks pretty good. I jinxed myself and said this would be easy. Helps if you take it off the jack.
Yes.
Now that you winched the car onto my new jack, now what are we gonna do, Einstein? Yeah, it says he's loaded hundreds of these.
Without a jack.
Yeah. There she goes.
Nope.
How's my bumper holding up? straight. She's on. Good enough. Jen comes home tomorrow. Step one. We got to get this thing rolling and out of the driveway. Back's been good. It's been this shoulder. So yeah, maybe I should use this side. Was it this side that was stuck, not rolling? Yeah. Yep. Hopefully, we got a little Jack and the Beanstalk going on here. Hopefully we'll just give it a few taps with the old 3-pounder and she'll free up for us. No, huh? Oh yeah, she's tight. These new cars with all these lubrication holes, huh? I didn't know they had that many. Suppose I could try and find the brake adjuster. One of those is the brake adjuster, eh? Well, at least they're moving. Actually, I'm going the wrong way. I think. Oh yeah, went the wrong way there. You went the wrong way. Nice work. Now you locked it. Great. At least these are nice big holes and they're all oblonged out. I gotta get the 12 o'clock one, but at least I got that one. Yeah, because she was totally stuck. Let me get the top one. Oh, all right. So that's, did that come out? Is that stuck in there? It's stuck in there. See that shiny piece? You know what that is. Operation, remember that game? So the bad news is the sun is coming. It's gonna be 97 today, so out here trying to take advantage of this shade while we can. I think I got her to move. There we go. Spin, baby. I'll take that. This side wanted a cocktail too. It was jealous, so she's spinning a little better. Even though it's hammered, you don't see cars with these too often. Yeah, that's the problem with these new cars. With the reservoir up there. Oh, Clarion caught my eye, sorry. Good old name there. Man, look at this, it's all been painted up here. All painted. Oh, she's been smushed. These are a nice find though. I'm surprised those aren't all banged up. You can repaint those. Nothing really in here. Seatbelts. Nothing too fantastic. Yeah, she's been all painted up. Inside and out. No way. See that? That bug literally is, that bug right there is orange. I wonder if it changes color. Show you, there you go. Stay out. It's more of a red, but that's pretty cool. Bug in a bug. I wonder why that bug was red. Because this car is red. It's not even factory orange. Look at that. I didn't notice that. Did you? I honestly didn't even look inside this thing before I bought it. I knew it was a semi-automatic. I knew it had an engine. I didn't even know if the engine was stuck or not. So I basically bought it for the engine and the parts, and it's not stuck. I did check that yesterday, so that's good. It's D0. D for 70, when I looked it up, was like a 40 horse version. Or is this the California Smog version? What's all this nonsense? What is this big D horsepower Robin Smog? Maybe this is the California 40 horse edition. It is from California. So you Cali guys and gals, let me know what this smogenation's all about. For those of you that missed it, this was already dented. IRS car, try to grab it from the rear, forget about it. The bumper was already cashed, so, well, I added to the cash. Yeah, this thing is inside and out orange. Here I was thinking this was Clementine. So, I know they had Kassan red. What, I gotta look up 70. If you know, just drop me a comment, save me the trouble. The convertible rails are still solid and in it. That's good. Yeah, make sure when you put this piece in, you cut it from here all the way to here like everybody else. No, don't do that. Yeah, this thing was red. Not even original orange. I like orange cars. So I really bought the car for all the parts. This is a small amount of the parts. These are mostly the parts for the car. There's a trailer full of parts. Let me know what year that radio is if you could. It's probably just to the 70. So most of this is the 70 stuff. The car is from California. I'm sorry, it's from Cali. It's from Cali. Guy I know that I sold a car to hates it when I call it Cali, so this is one of the Cali cars. You know, I will say this. I stuffed this thing into the glove box. It actually has a glove compartment in it. Not an Alpine. Pioneer, I mean, I'll give you that. I'll give you correct. Got a Pioneer case. We got a mud dauber. No. I wonder if this is the ticket to the donkey ball. New York State Parks and Recreation. 2003. Oh, what do we have here? Yeah, cracked plastic garbage. We got a shift pattern for the old 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, low 1, 2. I don't think there's really anything else. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's fitting for this car. Only because I had a semi-auto in college. I dated a girl, her father owned a Nissan dealership, and I went to the J lot, they would call it. It was the unwanted cars that were probably going to auction or scrap, who knows. And there was an orange semi-auto Beetle back there with snow tires on it, of course. And I said, Mr. D, how much for the Beetle? You want it? Yeah, it's free. Oh, sweet, thank you. Well, take it. Drove that thing until we jumped it one night. I used to doing some dumb things in that car. But anyway, I sold it for $75, and and a bag of $25 bag. The two buyers asked me if I smoked. I said no, but my uncle does, so I passed the bag on to my uncle and got the $75. Oh, really? I smell hot plastic. I am officially done with this new car. So I'm over it. It's 97 degrees. I am in the shade. And we have a baseball game in a couple hours, so I'm gonna call that a day. And I'm gonna jump back on the $500 1967 Beetle. So let me know what you think this car is worth, because I am punting this thing down the road. Check out Find. They sent me these. These are awesome. When you're working on your air-cooled VW or Porsche. So thank you, members. There's a new members video out. If you guys want to join the members, nope, don't have to join. So there'll be plenty of content coming for non-members. So thank you guys. Like I said, more on the 67, more on that 36er that's in the garage. Not sure if there's gonna be more on the 70. Probably a Will It Run. We'll try to get that running. And more on that car. There's another car. So I bought a lot of cars. So there's a lot of content coming. So more soon on the $500 1967 Beetle. Could be the EVH Beetle. Leave it as painted, stripe it up. I'm thinking that's the plan with this car. Pans, luggage tray. Maybe the driveway series. And happy 4th to all of us that reside here in the US of A. Happy 250 everyone. Keep it safe. Have a great holiday weekend. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys soon. I got more work to do. Check out Find. These are awesome. All right, thanks guys. Take care.